I'm Tom, Vaughn's behind the camera. This is our project 3. So here you can see we have 2 Morse code communicators. So, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna press one of these buttons and it's gonna have a preset message sent to the other board. Okay, so this button is preset to send SOS to his board. So I'm gonna press it. So SOS was sent to the board. So you can see in the serial monitor, SOS was sent. Okay? So now I'm gonna press this button, it's gonna send help. So now checking the serial monitor, you see HELP. Simple enough. So now I'm gonna do the same. I'm just gonna send help to my board. Actually, SOS. Okay, so now on the serial monitor, you can see that SOS was sent. Same thing for help. And again, HELP was sent. And on the serial monitor here, just to clarify, it shows which message you send whenever you press the button.
I'm Vaughn, I'm the person behind the camera for the last video. In this video, we're gonna show how the serial monitor can also send messages to his feather and my feather. So it will show up on my LED as well as his, and it will also show up on his serial monitor. So let's try a short message like LOL.
So shown on my serial monitor, you could see that LOL was sent. So now from mine, I'm gonna just send the same message just to make it easy. Both LEDs are flashing at the same time in sync. And LOL is shown on his serial monitor.